Today's video is going to be super interesting because I have something special to show you all. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. It's been like a couple of days I haven't posted any videos regularly, right? So thing is, I went to Tirupati guys with my family. So, I was a bit on a vacation and now I'm finally back. I'll be posting lots of interesting videos. So stay tuned for my channel. So thing is, a lot of people watch TV, right? Like they spend half of their day with TV only watching movies, OTT platform or either gaming. Now you would obviously want your TV to be special, right? Like with mods, customization and stuff like that. So I have like a very interesting gadget to show you all. And using this particular product, you can actually add like RGB ambient lighting for your TV. And this is like something very awesome, guys. Gives you that immersive feel whenever you're watching TV. So in the past also I've done something very similar to this, like how to add ambient RGB lighting, but that was for your PC, guys. And it was a bit complicated because you required like a mod kit and also software to control and run the whole thing. But now brands have actually improved the whole system and they've made it possible to add this sort of lighting effect for your TV also. But thing is now, if you go for like Philips Hue lighting RGB ambient light kit for your TV, branded lighting kits, they're actually like super expensive in India. For example, take Philips lighting only, it costs almost like 40-50,000 rupees to add just simple RGB lighting to your TV. अरे यार, सिंपल RGB लाइटिंग के लिए 50,000 you'll get like a brand new TV only. I was like, what is happening? So I was looking for some cheap alternative solutions and I did find like 3-4,000 rupees also RGB ambient lighting kit, but they were not that good. They had like fixed lighting effects and you can simply change it with the remote. There was no immersive ambient sort of effect available. So the other alternative I found is from this brand known as LightMe. So this particular brand was offering like a new HDMI 2.0 sync RGB lighting for your TV at a reasonable price of around like 17,000 or something, which is almost like quarter the price of Philips Hue lighting. And I was like, chalo, why not? Let's give this thing a try. And I had to order it from international website. It came from Hong Kong and it was stuck in the Indian customs for almost like 20-25 days, I believe, guys. And it finally came to my home yesterday. But the whole box was all crumbled in the shipment because it came from really far away, right? But good thing is nothing happened to the product on the inside. I believe the customs guys opened the whole package and they verified everything and they just packed it randomly and they shipped it to my place. Anyways, the product has arrived and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out. And one more thing I do have to mention is this particular LightMe Neo RGB kit that I'll be showing you in this video is a smart RGB lighting kit, guys. That means you can control it with your voice as well. It's got Google Assistant support, Amazon Alexa support is also there, and not only that, you've got like various RGB lighting effects and modes to choose from. Like microphone is there for voice activated RGB lighting change, immersive RGB lighting is also available for that ambient sort of feel that dynamically changes depending on the content that you're watching on the TV. It works with PlayStation, Xbox consoles, PC also. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and see what it can do. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So guys, this is that RGB ambient lighting kit for your TV I was talking about. It's made by this brand called as LightMe and the model is Neo. It's a HDMI 2.0 TV sync box and also has like built-in LED lighting strips also in this package only. It's like a complete kit and comes with this sort of box packaging. It supports up to 4K 60Hz TV and works via HDMI input. So at the back, you've got some of its main features. You can see how they're giving demos and applications, how it actually works and the content of the package. So without wasting any more time, let me show you what did we have in the package. So there you go, you've got lots of stuff over here. At the top you get a user manual. Just make sure to read this for complete details on how to install it on your TV and also set it up. And these are your installation brackets. So these basically guide the LED lighting strips across the TV and they have like stickers on the other side and they'll basically hold the lighting strips for you. You've got like 6 of these regular brackets and 4 of them are 45-degree angled brackets for the corners. You'll basically have to L bend them. I'll show you the installation also at a later part. And these are your main RGB light strips, guys. The main thing that will give you that ambient sort of lighting effect for your TV. You have 2 of these units. Each of these lighting strips is like pretty long. They have around like 48 ARGB LEDs per meter and you can even cut the length as per your TV size and requirement. And let me tell you, lighting strips are actually like quite heavy in the hand, guys. They've got like fully silicone molded so that they can diffuse a the whole lighting neatly. And not to forget, these are also smart. You can even app control the whole RGB lighting. So this is LightMe's Neo Sync HDMI 2.0 TV box. Basically, you'll be connecting all the LED strips to this thing, and you'll connect a HDMI input source to over here, and from there it will go to the TV. So you've got all the connectivity ports at the back side. There's a DC in port where you'll need to connect the power adapter, two USB ports for the LED strips, and you've got two HDMI ports. One is input and the other one is output, and you also have like an onboard microphone as well for voice activated RGB lighting effects. So that's it. These are all the available connectivity ports on this, and the overall TV box feels quite slim and lightweight also, guys. Build quality is pretty decent and has lots of vents on the bottom to let the heat escape and keep it running cool. And not to miss out, there's also a power adapter included in the package for the TV sync box. That's it. These are all the items you got in the box. Now let me get started with the installation procedure. I'll just quickly set it up for my TV and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. The whole installation procedure of that Ambient RGB light kit is done. I've actually installed it on my TV in our bedroom, and here's how it looks like. So let me share you my experience with the installation. Installation was like very simple. It hardly took around like 20-25 minutes, guys. And before installing, let me tell you that this kit is available in different TV sizes. Depending on your TV size, you can order the variant. So ours is a 55-inch TV variant, right? So we ordered something around like 50 to 60-inch variant. If your TV is like even bigger, you can go for other variants, and prices will definitely be different for different TV sizes. And apart from that, installation procedure was also very simple. There's nothing much you need to do. First, you'll need to just install those brackets that I've shown you during the unboxing part with stickers. You'll have to place them on all the corners of the TV. Everything is mentioned in the manual, guys, step by step, so nothing to worry about. And after that, you'll just have to hook the lighting strip into those brackets. But one thing I'll have to be honest and tell you, the sticker quality, the gum on the brackets is bilkul bekar, guys. The thing didn't even last for 2 minutes. Once I was done with installing the first LED lighting strip and I started with the second one, right? First one started to come out then only. So I had to do some manual jugaad. I used some plasters and extra cello tape from my end, and I had to stick everything, and it's like a big mess at the backside. That's why I'm not showing it to you. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Brand should have definitely improved the gum quality. Main reason for that is the LED lighting strip is like very heavy, guys. There's like solid silicone molding over there, and because of that, the whole weight of the lighting strip has increased, and that is the reason the gum was actually not able to hold it in its place. So that is something I'll definitely give like a feedback to the brand. And apart from that, you just need to connect those LED lighting strips to this TV sync box over here and give your HDMI input signal. Either it be maybe like your PC. Right now we are connected my PC to that sync box, or maybe you can connect some consoles like Xbox, PS5, anything. And that is how this whole ambient lighting thing will work. And one more thing you'll have to keep in mind is this ambient immersive lighting won't work if you don't give any sort of signal. For example, you're watching some TV content that has like built-in apps. If your TV has like Netflix built-in, Prime built-in, there you will not get ambient immersive lighting because you're not giving any input signal to the box, right? So for that, you'll have to use some fixed lighting from your app. We'll definitely come to the app and talk about different RGB lighting effects available in a moment. So right now, as you can see, immersive ambient mode has been enabled, and it dynamically reflects whatever sort of scene is coming on the TV. For example, we have a blue wallpaper over here, right? You can see the blue lighting that spreads evenly from that direction only. We have few icons over here, right? Yellow and red. You can see that we are getting yellowish, reddish sort of lighting effect over here, and it keeps dynamically changing depending on the type of scene. So now what I'll do is I'll quickly play some games, or maybe I'll play some YouTube videos, and I'll show you how awesome this thing looks like. my god, you guys saw those demos, right? It was absolutely awesome. The whole experience this kit was giving was like next level, guys. The immersive effect we were getting, no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be movies, maybe web series, especially gaming though, was like totally awesome, guys. I have to say, everyone should definitely have this sort of kit, especially if you're like an enthusiast or maybe like a gamer. This will completely change your style of watching TV. Okay, let me tell you about the lighting quality of these strips. Lighting quality over here is top notch. If you talk about the brightness, it's got like good amount of brightness. LEDs are actually quite bright, and good thing is you can even adjust the intensity, the brightness of the LEDs also using the app. And apart from that, if you talk about the color quality is also very good. It was like very accurately producing the colors dynamically that were changing on the screen. But one thing I've observed during my usage is the color transition on these LED lighting strips is not that smooth, especially when there's a scene change or maybe anything that changes on the screen, right? That color transition was not that smooth. As you can see in the video, there's a bit of flicker happening when the scene changes dynamically. Apart from these, everything else was fine. You can even adjust the sensitivity of the ambient mode as well, like how quickly should the lighting strips respond to the particular scene that is happening on the TV. Everything can be controlled from the app. So let me just quickly show you the different RGB modes also available. Name of the app that you'll need to install is called as LightMe, available on both Play Store as well as App Store. And once you do that, you just need to connect the whole kit to your home Wi-Fi network, and that is it. You'll be like good to go. So right now it's in the ambient mode. As you can see, whatever the scene changes, you can see the color ambient light is also transitioning dynamically. And apart from that, you've got rainbow mode as well. So this is how the rainbow mode looks like. The whole RGB lighting keeps changing in a circular fashion. You've got fireworks. This is the starry mode. This one's called as drip. This one's flow, particle effect. Like this, now you've got like plenty of modes available in the app. So that is it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. So using these sort of RGB ambient lighting kits, you can take your TV experience to a whole new level. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out such amazing gadget. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And talking about the price, I've told you, right? This particular kit costs around like 17,700 rupees, something around that. And I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that is pretty much it. I'll see you all in my next one.